Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, we are going to learn about different types of push-ups. Actually, I was getting so many comments from the beginners, like I cannot do push-ups properly, I don't know how to do the push-ups, so can you make a video? So that's why I am making a video. So in this video, I am going to tell you about how to do push-ups properly. So without any delay, let's jump right into the video. So our first push-up is going to be the normal push-up, and it's really simple. You just need to get in the bend position like this. Open your legs a little. Open your arms according to your shoulder width. Keep your core engaged. You need to keep your core engaged in each and every push-up. So when you are in the position, like don't keep your core too high or too low. Keep it in the middle. It should be engaged. This push-up will target your shoulders, your chest and your tricep as well, but it will target your chest more. So make sure that your elbows are going in this way, not in this way. You need to do the proper push-ups like this. You don't need to do like this one, or you don't need to do like this one. You need to do properly, like go down slowly and come up slowly. So these were the normal push-ups. Like in case if you are not able to do the normal push-ups, what you can do is place your knees on the ground, cross your legs, keep your core engaged, and do this. When you get the hang of knees push-up, then you can move to the normal push. So the next push-up we are going to talk about is the wide arm push-ups. If you want your chest to look bigger, you can do wide arm push-ups. It's similar to the normal push-ups, but what you need to change is you need to increase the distance between your hands. You need to keep your hands slightly wide than your shoulder width. In these push-ups also, keep your core engaged. Don't flare your elbows like this. Do it like this. These were the wide arm push-ups. You can do it if you want your chest to look more wide. Similarly, if you cannot do these push-ups normally, what you can do is keep your knees on the ground, and the other things are same. Next push-up we are going to talk about is diamond push-up. It targets your tricep more, but it also targets your chest. So what you need to do is you need to make a shape like a diamond, like this, on the ground. Place your hands like this. Get in the push-up position. Slightly open your legs. Keep your core engaged and do it. So these were the diamond push-ups. These push-ups will help you to target your triceps and your chest as well. In case you cannot do these push-ups normally also, what you need to do is put your knees on the ground, make a diamond with your hands, and the rest is similar to the normal push-ups and wide arm push-ups. In these push-ups also, don't flare your elbow out. Keep your elbows with your body. So these were the 3 push-ups that will target your whole chest. They will slightly target your shoulders and your triceps. The next push-ups are going to be incline push-ups. These push-ups are good for your tricep and for your lower chest. First of all, you need to find a place like this on which you can do incline push-ups. In this push-up also, keep your core engaged. And do the push-ups like this. In case you are not able to do incline push-ups, then what you can do is find a place that is much higher. After that, you can move to the places that are more lower. So the last push-ups we are going to do is decline push-up, and they are the best push-ups for your upper chest. So what you need to do is you need to find a place like this on which you can place your feet. Like I am using bricks, it's not necessary to use the bricks. Keep your hands shoulder width apart, place your feet on the top, keep your core engaged, and then So these were the decline push-ups, and these were the different types of push-ups that you should do if you are a beginner. These basic push-ups will help you build your strength in your upper body, in your arms, chest, shoulders, and in your core. So that was it. If you find the video informative, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.